Today I will show you how you can download the Visual Studio Community Edition and install on the Windows 10 computer. So visit visualstudio.microsoft.com/vs/community and you will find the URL and you will find the link to download the Visual Studio Community Edition. Click on download and now we are at the download page and you can see Visual Studio setup is being downloaded. So it is downloaded and I will click on the exe file and the installer is started. Click continue and now it is downloading the required softwares and the installation is in progress now. So here it provides the options to select for download. I will click on ASP.NET, Azure Development, Node.js, Mobile, .NET, Visual C++, which comes with the C++ for Windows using tools for your choice like including MSVC, CLang, CMake or MS Build. I will select this also and I will also select the mobile application development using C++. For gaming, I will select the game development with Unity, game development with C++, and data storage and processing, data science and analytics application, data science and analytics application, Visual Studio extension development, SharePoint development, and the Linux embedded Linux development with C++. So all this is, so after selecting all these components, it requires 43.2 gigabyte on the disk. So we need 43.2 gigabyte of space for installing these softwares. To proceed the installation, select the option install while downloading and click install. So it is now downloading and after downloading it will keep installing the softwares. So I will pause this video and come back again once the installation is completed. The installation of Visual Studio is completed successfully. Done installing. Visual Studio has been successfully installed. We recommend rebooting soon to clean up any remaining files. So after this, you should reboot your system. If I search for Visual Studio, you can see application is here. To open, we will just click it. I will select the light view and then click on Start Visual Studio. I will click on new project. And I will create the console app. To run, it is simply printing the hello world message on the console. To run, click on this icon and you can see it is compiling the application. Now it is building the executable file, and after this it will run the file. So here it is printing hello world message. To close this window, enter. So in this tutorial we learned how to install Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition, and finally create a simple project, the simple console project, and run it. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.